Hello, my name is Liv Lauer, and I just got married, so my name will be changing to Liv Wentz, or Olivia Wentz. I am a second grade teacher at Solanco School District. I live in York. I work with second graders on math, literacy, science, social studies, and social emotional learning. The degree that I am pursuing is the STEM Education Assessment Curriculum and Teaching Masters, and what I hope I will be learning in this course. So I do worry a lot about students developing conceptual knowledge and not just memorizing items. I feel like a lot of the assessments that we use right now are just students just memorizing items and then writing them down or selecting them from multiple choice. I want to create or utilize assessments that show students actual skills or their critical thinking. I want to make sure that I'm using meaningful assessments and actually using the data to help my students grow. So that is a main focus that I'd like to learn for this course. I'm going to share a favorite book right now. It's actually a series that I'm reading with my class, and it's very classic, but I recently watched a video essayist talk about this book, and now I'm pretty fascinated by the stories, and my students like to analyze the stories. But we currently are reading the Frog and Toad series, so every morning we open with a Frog and Toad story from the book. There's only 4 in the series by Arnold Lobel, and this one, and it's just been really fun to talk about those with my students every day. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to learning with you.